Today we are cutting and programming a key to a 2015 Transit Connect. Join us with a ride. First thing we're going to do is take a scan of the key blade so we can duplicate it. Next we pop out to the vehicle and make sure the key works. This vehicle did come in with a sticky ignition barrel. You'll see why that's important later. Perfect cut. Next we read the VIN and select what year the van is. We then clear any fault codes that we may have caused by putting a blank key in that's not programmed to the vehicle. We then click Add Key and start the process. We then insert the key that is to be programmed. We then have a delay of between 3 and 10 minutes just for security access. The key is now synced up with the vehicle's immobilizer. We then have to sync the central locking with the key. This is where the sticky barrel become a problem. To sync the central locking to the key, you have to turn the ignition off and on 8 times. This was a problem as the ignition kept sticking. Eventually we did get there and got both keys programmed and synced. All in a day's work.